and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma.
And I am Vishakha Thakur.
There's a tug of war going on in virtual digital assets or cryptocurrency space, colloquially speaking.
Well, talking about the VDA markets, the tussle to establish market supremacy is on between bulls and bears.
Currently, bulls seem to have the upper hand as prices of leading cryptos, Bitcoin and Ethereum, are comfortably placed above key levels. The spot Bitcoin ETFs are witnessing net inflows ahead of halving, and hopes of Fed fund rate cuts sooner than later is making the bullish case stronger.
Exactly. And regulatory intervention is the only concern. In recent times, market regulators have taken preemptive moves to avoid market abuse. The US Financial Markets Regulatory Body, the SEC, has intensified its battle against the VDA industry players for not adhering to regulatory compliance.
As per the latest update from the United States, which is the world's largest cryptocurrency market, the SEC has served a Wells notice, which means initiating enforcement action against Uniswap. The decentralized cryptocurrency exchange has joined the ranks of Coinbase, Grayscale, and Ripple. All are fighting against the SEC for more regulatory clarity for crypto.
So, while the lack of regulatory clarity remains a core issue, the current indecisiveness is caused by mixed macroeconomic indicators.
And as we mentioned earlier, the tug of war among bull-bear camps is reflecting in exchange-traded funds or ETFs assets under management. Spot Bitcoin ETFs have emerged as one bright spot among many negatives denting the VDA's prospect.
Also, the spot Bitcoin ETF's exchange-traded volume nearly doubled in the past month after setting a milestone of $100 billion on March 8, according to data from the block. And BlackRock's IBIT has cornered 52% market share, up from 22% on Jan 11.
Tether, the leading stablecoin, revealed fascinating numbers for 2023. Its net income is 78% of Goldman Sachs and 72% of Morgan Stanley's $8.5 billion. The data illustrates Tether's growing prominence and adoption as the finance sector expands.
And Michael Saylor is not the only Bitcoin maximalist, spearheading the MicroStrategy's investment strategy into the largest corporate holding, Bitcoin. Well, Japan, Asia's second largest economy, is the base for another company with a similar business model.
Yes, Metaplanet, a Tokyo-listed firm, has embraced Bitcoin as a principal component of its treasury assets, and it's planned to invest $6.56 million towards buying Bitcoin.
So on that note, let's go to our expert for his views on VDAs and the near-term market outlook.
So it's one of the great times for this ecosystem. We are marching towards halving, so we are all excited. This is that big festival season for the crypto ecosystem, right? So halving is a very big event, and just like World Cup, it happens almost every 4 years. It's a great season for us. We usually look forward to this halving season because the march towards halving and the post-halving session is very, very important because that decides the market, that defines the market. That's ideally when even the bull market starts heading towards new highs. So yes, it's an exciting time to be with a lot of exciting things to be looking around, yeah.
So after the super exciting money trail, it is time to do a check on the underlying technology, the blockchain. Starting with the trend so far, in the dynamic landscape of Web3, the first quarter of 2024 saw a monumental surge in blockchain dApps activity.
Also, according to the State of the dApp Industry Q1 2024 report by dApp Radar, the average daily unique active wallets skyrocketed to 7 million, and the performance showcases exponential growth of decentralized applications across diverse sectors.
A notable highlight was the 9% surge in the social sector, driven by innovative social decentralized applications. As the blockchain dApps ecosystem continues to evolve, Q1 2024 sets a precedent for unprecedented growth and innovation.
So now let's turn to NFT space, which is seeing a ray of hope after turbulent times recently.
Exactly. After 4 straight weeks of a downturn, 8 blockchain networks logged $3.77 billion in non-fungible token sales in the first quarter of 2024. Leading the charge, Ethereum-centric NFTs have accounted for $1.4 billion or 37% of the NFT sales during Q1 of 2024.
Wow. And according to on-chain metrics, ARK Invest's holding in its spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds or ETFs includes several inscriptions, and amongst them an ordinal inscription from from the Bitcoin Puppet digital collectible series is valued at $27,900.
Exactly, and similarly, BlackRock's IBIT possesses an ordinal inscription from the Speculum Atrium non-fungible token collection.
So moving on to the virtual space, the Metaverse segment, and India is set to head in a big way. In fact, India will emerge as a key player in domains such as spatial computing, the industrial metaverse, cloud computing and generative AI, as per a report by Deloitte titled Technology Trends 2024 India Perspective.
Well, the report states India is adopting new technologies faster as compared to other countries. For instance, AI-related initiatives surged nearly 3 times between 2023 and 2024.
Also, another key area of growth is the industrial metaverse sector and spatial computing, which is projected to generate revenue of over $2 billion in 2024 as per the report.
Well, the intersection of metaverse and healthcare has given rise to various opportunities, especially in the medical tourism sector. Recent analysis from industry experts highlight how telemedicine technologies built on the metaverse concept can onboard and streamline patient acquisition and improve patient satisfaction for medical tourists.
That's amazing. And finally, we move to the gaming section.
Gaming can be fun, but at times it can bring you despair, as some of these protocols are used by the anti-social elements. Frequent airdrops are the best way to lure gamers into the trap.
Right. The US Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is closely monitoring online gaming, particularly financial transactions on gaming platforms.
Well, the agency identifies in-game currency as banking in video games and virtual worlds where players convert fiat currency to in-game currency for buying goods and services.
And CFPB's moves comes after huge tokens started dropping in 2024, with gaming projects gaining interest in the excitement, and tokens tied to games and networks have been among the biggest launches this year, with tokens like Gala, Immutable, Floki and Ronin surpassing $26.9 billion in market cap.
Well, that's all in Weekly Wrap for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off.
And this is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.